Hello everyone, welcome back to Binding of Isaac 4 Souls. As you can see, we've already started the game. I'm Tapeworm. We're using the fan expansion. I forgot this should be on top, I think. I've already got a soul. It's pretty good. He's a Apollyon. I'm Tapeworm. These are the shop items. These are the not that. Waiting for you. Oh, you played Broken Hawk! Alright, cool. Is it my turn now?
It was your turn. It's always been your turn.
Oh, okay. I play a counter. Oop. On you, and I'm going to put it right there in the corner.
Wow, I feel loved.
And then I'm going to play 3 cents to get 3 cents. Also, I have to tap that guy. Then I'm going to attack the snowball of misery and death. Where's the dice? There it is. 3. 3 again. Sweet. It's dead. I take 1 but lose 2 coins. And then I draw a new one. What is that? Exorcist. Each time the attacking player rolls a 4, put the top card of the monster deck on any active monster that isn't being attacked. Cool. Okay, I also loot 1 for killing that thing. Okay, it's your turn. Your turn. I don't know what you're doing, but you're just doing it. Okay.
Oh, I'll just take 1 from the top. What's it say?
Did you just buy? Did you just buy, Nick?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, empty vessel, I see.
Hey, do you want a penny? You want a penny?
Nope.
Huh?
Is it my turn now?
I want a penny. I want a penny.
Alright. Is it my turn now?
Yeah.
Okay. That's still tapped. I'm gonna unchart. Wow, okay, I'm playing an egg counter on you. Again.
What? So mean.
Okay, and then I'm gonna draw, because I forgot to do that. Wheel of Fortune! Roll, okay, we'll roll that dice, because it's close. 5! Gain 5 cents! How did I mess that up? There you go. What? I had 3, so 4. Yeah, that's 7. Never mind. No, that's not mine. That's not mine. That's not mine. Jesus, dude.
It was in your hands.
Well, yeah, but it wasn't. Alright, I'm gonna be attacking... I don't really want to attack the Exorcist that much.
Can you attack other players?
No. I'm attacking Mom's hand!
Why do you have 3 hearts?
I'm attacking Mom's hand! I'm attacking Mom's hand! How did I just roll 3 threes in a row? What do you mean? Okay.
Why did you have 3 hearts?
Buy dinner.
Why do you have 3 hearts?
Because read what I just put in the discard pile.
Oh, what?
Alright, well, I'm dead. That's cool.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait, but I'm going to prevent that with a soul heart. I have 1 HP remaining. Alright, time to kill it. Okay, 1 damage. Please tell me. Yes! 4 cents. Oh, there's a spider.
Already.
Alright. So I don't actually have to discard dinner. And oh, the soul heart's gone. Cool, and I get 4 cents for that. And I'm going to buy off top. Bob's. Oh no.
Oh wait, I already took my card for my turn, so I'm just gonna leave it there.
Yeah, it's recharged. It's your turn.
Does it show you my turn? Yeah, okay.
What? Ooh. Oh, the bomb's got a new little thing. Deal 1 damage to a player or monster. Oh, you're
It's
killing.
a Mario reference. Bomb.
Yeah, I know,
Look,
but
it's bomb.
so you killed the spider, and okay. Horned fella, that's a repentance thing, but also I think I don't know. Each time this deals. Oh, that's kind of good actually. Are you done with your turn?
Okay. Oh, I see the character's backstory now.
I'm drawing. Oh, perfect. All right. I'm gonna roll. And then I'm going to play the magician to change that to a 6. So now this guy's on 3 HP.
Oh, that's so overpowered.
Wait, no. Actually, I'm not doing that yet. I'm gonna roll.
No, what I just got.
Okay,
is
3.
so
Never mind.
overpowered.
All right, that's a 6. He's at 3. 3. Okay, I gotta roll again. Please be a 5 or a 6. That's not a. I'm at 1 heart. Okay. 2. Please prevent it this time. Please prevent it. That's a 1. I'm dead. Oh wait. I forgot. Each time you start an attack roll. All right. So I did 2 attacks. So 1 to 2, 6. I'm already dead, so that doesn't matter. 5. That doesn't matter. And 2. Deal 1 damage. Cool. All right. I am dead. So, Bob's Brain, you're kind of out of here. All right. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I also put an egg counter on you.
Oh, okay.
All right, it's your turn. You got to draw. There, I draw for you. I don't like that. Hey, maybe you could warp to some of those monsters. That'd be great.
No.
Could you warp the monster? You gotta be.
I'm reading it.
Yeah,
No,
I
let
gotta
me read
see it
word
too,
by
dude.
down.
Each time you roll an attack roll of 1, 3, or 5, plus 1 to that attack roll.
What?
That's kind of good.
I'm going for the boss.
All right. Roll for it, buddy.
Oh, I accidentally roll.
6.
I get to kill it because it does 6 damage. Because look at the card
Oh.
I played is. Yeah, so it's dead.
I'll place that just there because it's the counters are there. Oh, that's frightening. The Visage.
Ew.
Each time this takes damage on a
One of
roll of
these so
4,
frightening that
the
I
same
saved
amount
that.
of damage is ooh. So is it my turn now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna play that.
Oh, that's really good. Oh, that's really good.
And then I'm gonna play the Devil, destroy Kane's Eye, yoink that.
Wow.
And then I'm going to play this, put an egg counter on you again, and then I'm gonna attack Visage, I guess. Come on, Visage, let's dance! 5! 4. Okay, and you've got 1 heart. 6, it's at 1. Please be a 4. Yes, you're dead! And it's dead too. Loot X plus 1 soul. Sweet.
Now I have to do this. Now I have to do this. If I roll a 6, I'm still alive.
Okay. Did I awfully tempt one
Yeah.
soul, 2 souls?
I'm dead.
Okay, so 1 soul, 2 soul. All right, cool. And since 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I was waiting for. I put all those egg counters on you for a reason.
I have the amateur flip table. It's called grab everything and throw it.
All right. Oh yeah, I forgot. Twitchy. Each time the Packer rolls to the same dual side as the previous one, reroll it once. I guess it's good. I'm at 2 souls, which is very good for me. Is this still my turn? No, because you're dead and I can't really do anything. So. Oh yeah, I forgot to loot X. I gotta roll for that. I forgot. 1. Please be just amazing. No.
My turn?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Why does it look like that? Yeah, this would have been good of you if I just kept my other item.
When anyone move. When anyone steals a
Radiant.
loot card, item or soul card from you, you may force that player to discard it. When you're forced to give a loot card, item or soul card, you may choose to discard it instead. Okay.
So that basically means you can't, if you steal something from me, I can tell you, no, throw it away.
Alright, is it my turn or is it yours?
My turn.
Yeah, you just played though, didn't you?
No. I would think of this.
What? One. You take damage. Who are you attacking, by the way? Who are you attacking? Oh, Twitchy. Roll again, because you're at 1 HP now. 4. You don't hit it. You are dead.
But I am not dead, you see.
Broken
I
Unk.
will roll a 6. I will roll a 6.
You're dead.
I will roll a 6.
You're dead.
See, I did it.
You're dead. Alright. Get rid of an item, buddy.
I don't want to.
And a loot card. Never mind, you're broke.
Here you go.
Alright, oh yeah. Oh no, you're dead. Never mind. I forgot. How many cards do I need for Gluttony? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweet. Do I want to attack? Kinda. I'll attack. I'll attack the. I don't. I'll place an egg counter on you again, and then I'll fight the Twitchy. All right. It's taken 1. I've taken 1. I've taken 1. Oh wait, oh yeah, wait. No, I don't. I'm gonna play bomb and kill it. How many cents is that? That's 6. In the money bag it goes. New thing. Oh, angel room. Sweet mother of lordy. It doesn't have health. I forgot. Alright. Bro, I'm so glad. Oh, that's an attack roll. Okay, so I could totally still get 1 treasure here. Of course, I get the good numbers when I don't want the good numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh! Next to, oh wait, I forgot, I gotta get rid of Angel Room. What is that? Your turn. You should attack the Polysiphus because I don't want that any more near me than possible.
I'm gonna attack that.
I wish I could help you actually, but I really can't. Oh wait, I totally can. Wait, if you attack that, I can give you a thing.
Yeah.
You need to attack it though. Oh, did you?
Attacked it.
Oh, did you just attack it? Okay. Each time the attacking player deals damage to the when each time the attacking monster deals damage to the attacker. Okay, so you just do actually it's like an knockback damage or thorns in Minecraft, I guess. All right.
So what happened?
All right.
Oh, so if he hurts me, he takes damage.
All right. Roll again. Oh, that's my dice.
Okay, how much damage does he do?
2. You take damage.
He also does.
Oh yep. Roll again. Oh, he'd be at
He's
1.
not letting me do that anymore.
3. You're dead.
But he is also dead.
Yeah.
Give me.
Conquest.
Yeah, I'm winning.
My turn.
Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom. Soul of Gluttony.
I have a feeling.
I have a feeling I'm gonna win this one, buddy.
Get rid of your card. Get rid of your card.
I don't. Even if I get rid of what? Why'd you just, bro? I get those. What do you mean?
I didn't know that.
Rude.
So you basically just get a free card.
I get a free soul card for gathering up 10. Yeah. Why'd you draw?
I don't know.
It's not your turn. Put that back. Oh yeah, I also draw one loot, an extra loot card because you died with an egg counter on you. All right. Honestly, I'm just gonna. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, bomb. Bada bing, bada boom. Conquest is at 2 health. I roll. 5. It's gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh wait, I'd be at 2 health. All right. Yeah! GG! Easy dubs. Let's go.
May I have the flip table permission? Just at this one
Go
time,
for it,
please.
buddy.
I require.
Wait. Oh, I was gonna say, let me put all my cards on the table.